Hello everyone. So today we are going to see how we can create our own ad board onto this adboardbooking.com website. Let's see, you want to create your own ad board and you want to list your own ad board on this adboardbooking.com. How you can do that? On switching to login, you can click on switch to publisher. So if you click on switch to publisher, it will redirect you to the admin page, and in the admin you can select you can log in via the Google or you can log in via the email. So let me try. So you will see this kind of screen on successful login. So since you have not been assigned any workspace, you will not be able to log code through the application. So you can ask an admin to actually add you to some workspace. So I have also opened the admin view here. Let me try adding this email ID into this admin workspace. So the admin has added this email ID into the workspace. If I try do a refresh again, I should be able to get into the website, into the admin portal. So here I am able to create an ad board, register a player, create a playlist, assets, camera and bookings, and everything can be managed from this screen. So the ad board that you see on the home page are actually the ones that will be displayed here. You can create your own ad board and then that ad board will be visible onto the adboardbooking.com. So before creating an ad board, you should have players. So players are the actual screens that is capable of playing the ads, and each ad board can contain n number of players. You can create a collection of screens to be presented into the ad board. So a ad board can have n number of screens. Let's say I try to create a player. Let's say I just create a test player 1. I don't need to fill the TV code, that is for the media player integration, that is not required. Screen width, resolution. So these are the basic details of a screen. What is the location of that screen, what is the screen width and height in the feed, and the resolution width and height. I click on add and I should be able to add the player. The player has been added. So after creating the player, now it's time to create a ad board. So let me try creating it. So the title, let's say screen in Raipur 1. Location category you can select accordingly. Original price 10,000, discount 10%. Test description, you have to specify like which email address or which contact should be connected if there is any booking that gets confirmed. So I'm specifying mine. And the billboard ads per loop is 10. So ads per loop is the total number of ads that will be played in a slideshow, and the duration of each ad, let's say 10 seconds. I click on create. Now I can see the ad board has been created successfully, but it's not live yet, it's not enabled yet. So first of all I have to connect the players here. So I can just go here, manage players. I select the player that we have created earlier, close and save. This will attach the players to this ad board. So here you will see the details regarding to the listing that we have filled so far. All the details are already filled. Now in order to update this ad board, or in order to publish this ad board, you need to upload the images. So let me just go ahead and select some images for my ad board. So you will see this, and in a few minutes the screens has been, I have updated some screens. Okay, so I go here and click on update ad board. Now when you click on update, the ad board will go into the review state. Only an admin will be able to approve it. You will be able to edit. So this approval is only required if there is any changes in the image. The rest of the details can be updated without any approval. So let me log in as an admin. Okay, so I am on the admin screen and here I have the approval rights. I go here and click on approved. I clicked. Once I given an approval, the ad board will automatically go into the published state. If I go here again, I click on refresh. Okay, so now the screen has been published. Let's see how it is looking in our adboardbooking.com. Let me do a refresh. So as you can see, a new city has been added, and if I click on Raipur, it's showing me the billboard that we have just created. In the map also, you can see the 55 location screens are available showing in near Delhi NCR region, and one that we have created now is also looking up here. On clicking this adboard, it will redirected me to the details page. I have uploaded 3 photos and the details are shown accordingly, whatever that you mentioned: ads duration, ads per loop timing, the price, the dates, GST and everything, the description and the location. And we have added one screen, so that is also being mentioned here, and you can see the location of that particular screen onto the Google map. So this is how you can add your ad board any person. So let's try to do a booking now. So let's say the person try to book this billboard. Okay, so this will open a campaign screen. Here you will see the ad board is already selected. Now let's try to create a campaign one, test campaign, select the category. Let's say I want to book it for a month. Now the dates has been updated accordingly. The creatives based on the player that is already available in the ad board, which is displaying here, and based on this resolution there is one player, and the aspect ratio with respect to 1 is this. Now let me upload a creative. So let me just take it this. You can also see the location is also updated here. We can do a zoom out and we can see the location of this billboard where it is exactly present. Now there is a price summary. Since we are charging it 9,000 per day for 31 days, it would go to 2,20,000. The GST is 50,000. The total is this. Now we are not charging anything for the platform fee, so that will be 0. And after the booking approval, the user has to pay the 3,20,000. So let me go and create a campaign. So after successful campaign, I will be redirected to the campaign screen where I can see the details that is being present here, the campaign name, the creative, the details that I have done, and there is a one screen and the booking has been created accordingly. City is Jaipur and the cost is 3,21,000. I can open this booking also, and this will show me up like this is an inquiry booking. Now till the time the content has not been updated or content has not been approved, it's an inquiry booking. Once it is approved, it will become the asset has been approved. The payment is pending and the current asset is also requiring an approval. I uploaded this asset, so this asset is being shown here. This is the same asset. Booking details, price summary, payment has not been done yet. So now your booking is in progress. Once it is approved and you do the payment, the campaign will be scheduled, and on your selected date it will go live. And after the campaign date has been ended, after a month in this case, this will become completed. So you will see all the checkboxes after your campaign has been done. Thank you.